Hi everyone, I am Jenni Valanne and I'm beyond excited to join you all soon. My background is in music and classroom teaching, where I spent 20 wonderful years before stepping into my current role as a pedagogical ICT specialist for the city of Rauma in Finland. I also serve as an Apple teacher, Google certified educator, trainer, and innovator, and GET Finland leader. I have to tell you, this will be my very first time visiting South Africa, and I'm absolutely thrilled. I can't wait to share the Finnish way of teaching with you, but even more, I'm looking forward to learning from your unique perspectives and experiences. But now, let's take a look at the three workshops I have prepared for you. My first workshop is Teaching Math in Finnish Way. In this session, we explore how student centered learning and practical problem solving is something that every teacher can do. It's designed for math teachers, but almost everything in the workshop can be used in other subjects too. So, other teachers and principals will also benefit from it. We'll use practical activity stations to see firsthand how math helps us understand, for example, money matters and how objects fit into space. We'll also test digital tools like Eduten and Bingo, which are both widely used in Finland. From this workshop, you will walk away with a concrete action plan of 1 to 2 strategies to make your math lessons more engaging immediately. The second workshop is bringing movement into your lessons. This workshop focuses on integrating physical activity into all subjects to improve student focus. It is perfect for primary teachers, but any subject teacher or administrator interested in well being should join us. We will move, but we won't sweat. We'll test micro breaks and design active zones for your schoolyard using low cost methods. In this workshop, you'll receive a movement menu, a collection of ready to use activities to energize your classroom straight away when you go back to your own school. The third workshop is Teachers' Autonomy and Well-being. We dive into how a culture of trust and professional freedom leads to better results. This workshop is mainly for principals, but I'm sure that senior teachers and staff developers will also find these tools highly valuable. We will discuss how to move teacher autonomy from theory into a school's daily practice. We'll find practical ways to support teachers' creativity. You will leave with a now action plan, a list of immediate concrete steps to build a culture of trust and professional freedom in your own school. I am looking forward to meeting you all. See you soon at InnovateEDU in Cape Town.